Hello to everyone. This is Anupama. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from straight lines, that is, find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, comma 0, minus 1, comma 2, and 3, comma 4, 2. So here I took the point names. A is 1, comma 0, B is minus 1, comma 2, C is 3, comma 2. Right? So now if you take this figure triangle, in this what we are observing, ma? The lines passing through the midpoint and is perpendicular to one side is called as a perpendicular bisector. D is midpoint of BC, E is midpoint of AC, F is midpoint of AB. Okay. So first let us find the equations for AB, BC, CA. Okay. So equation for AB is equals to, what is the formula? Y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equals to x minus x1 into y1 minus y2. That implies here a, b. So y minus y1 is 0, x1 is 1, minus x2 is minus 1 is plus 1, equals to x minus x1 is 1, 0, minus 2. So y into 2 equal to x minus 1 into minus 2. That implies 2y equal to x minus 1 into minus 2, implies 2y equal to minus 2x plus 2. Bring this to this side. 2x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. Take common 2. That implies x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, this is, take it as equation 1. Okay, so and also find the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. D. I took that as D. So D is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That equals to x1 plus x2, means 1 minus 1 by 2, comma y1 plus y1 plus y2, that is 2 by 2. So here what we got, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. 0, comma 1. This is the point of D. Now if you observe, what is the perpendicular bisector? The perpendicular bisector intersects the base into at right angles and at midpoint. Okay, perpendicular bisectors are the lines which are passing through this base. This is a perpendicular bisector which is passing through the midpoint of BC and also cuts the base in right angles, at right angles. Then we called it as perpendicular bisector. So that means if you observe, this line is perpendicular to BC. In the same way, what, sorry, AB is F, no, this is F. So here F is midpoint of AB and the line passing through this midpoint which is perpendicular to AB. So the equation perpendicular to this, what you can write? Bx. This is A, this is B, right? Coefficients of A is 1, x is 1, B is 1. Bx minus Ay means x minus y. And we don't know the constant. So plus k equals to 0. But this is passing through this point, right? This line is passing through F. So substitute 0, comma 1. X is 0, y is 1. So minus 1 plus k equal to 0. That implies k equals to plus 1. Therefore, what is the equation in x minus y? Plus 1 equals to 0. This is A you take. Okay, that means this line equation. Next, coming to other line BC. I took AB and BC. No, AB I took. Now I am writing the equation for BC. Again the same formula. Y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equals to x minus x1 into y1 minus y2. That implies y minus, this is BC. So B and C you have to take. Y minus y1 is 2. X1 minus x2 means minus 1 minus 3 equals to x minus x1 is minus 1 means plus 1. Y1 minus y2, that is 2 minus 2. That implies y minus 2 into minus 4 equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. So this side 0. Implies minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. 4y minus 8 equals to 0. Y minus 2 equals to 0. This is second equation. And now midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC is nothing but again x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 is minus 1, x2 is 3. So minus 1 plus 3 by 2, comma 2 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus 1 is 2 by 2, comma 2 plus 2 4 by 2. 2 2 cancel 1, 2 4 2. That is equals to 1 by 2. Now for this, what is the perpendicular line? You can write perpendicular line. We can write for this is, for this line, bx minus ay. Here a is 0, b is 1. So bx, a is 0. So y becomes 0 plus k equal to 0. Now substitute, passing through, this is d, passing through d. That implies x is 1. 1 plus k equal to 0. So k equal to minus 1. Therefore, what is the equation? X minus 1 equals to 0. This is B. Next coming to AC and E midpoint. AC is equals to y minus, A is 1 comma 0, C is 3 comma 2. A is 1 comma 0, C is 3 comma 2. Now y minus y1. Y minus y1 is 0 into x1 minus x2 is equals to x minus x1 into y1 minus y2. So y into minus 2 equals to x minus 1 into minus 2. That implies 2y minus 2y equal to minus 2x plus 2. Bring 2x onto this side. That implies 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. 2 common implies x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation 3. Now find midpoint. Midpoint of AC, that is E. Okay, that implies 1 plus 3 by 2 comma 0 plus 2 by 2, which is equals to 4 by 2 comma 2 by 2, 2 times 1 time, that is 2 comma 1 is the midpoint. Now for this, what is the perpendicular bisect the perpendicular line? We can take bx, that is minus x minus ay minus y plus k equal to 0. Passing through E. So, let us subtract minus k equal to 0. Now substitute the value of 2, E, 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 minus k equals to 0. 3 minus k equal to 0. K equal to 3. So what is the line equation? X plus y minus 3 equals to 0. This is C. Now if you take first one, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 equals to 0. This is equation 1, which is perpendicular to AB. Next, perpendicular to BC, what ma'am? X plus k equals to 0. X minus 1 equals to 0. This is second equation, which is perpendicular to BC. Next, x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. This is third equation, which is perpendicular to AC. Okay. So if you take the triangle again here, this is A, B, C, this is D, E, F, this is the circumcenter, right? Perpendicular bisectors intersecting point is called circumcenter. So now, as these are perpendicular to each other, no, these are the perpendiculars to the each side. Okay. Now, any two lines you can take, line equations you can take and find the point of intersection for this. Okay. So what is the point of intersection formula? P of B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1, comma C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1, which is equals to, here let us write A1 equals to 1, B1 equals to minus 1, C1 equals to 1, or C1 is equals to 1, A2 equals to 1, B2 equals to 0, C2 equals to minus 1. Okay, these two lines I am taking, AB, BC. Okay, B1 C2, B1 C2 1 minus B2 C1, B2 C1 is 0 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1, A1 B2 is 0 minus A2 B1 is plus 1, comma C1 A2, C1 A2 is 1 minus C2 A1 plus 1 by again 0 plus 1, which is equals to 1 minus 0 is 1 by 0 plus 1 is 1, comma 1 plus 1 2 by 1, which is equals to 1 comma 2. Therefore, circumcenter equals to 1 comma 2.